Drax Power Station was built in the 1970s as a coal-fed power plant. Today, it has four 660 megawatt units running on sustainably sourced, renewable biomass. The conversion from coal to biomass has seen Drax invest hundreds of millions of pounds and years of experimentation and innovation. The power station uses both new equipment and existing infrastructure, repurposed to deliver the same level of power and system support services, including inertia and frequency response, that the plant was capable of when it ran on coal. The biomass rail unloading system has been automated where possible to allow a full train to unloading around 40 minutes. Health and safety is critical, and we strive to reduce process-derived hazards using automation and new technologies. The last line of defence is PPE, which must be worn by employees. This includes more specific role-based requirements, such as respiratory protective equipment if there is a potential to be exposed to biomass dust. Each of Drax Power Station's 4 biomass domes can hold 80,000 tonnes of pellets. Internal conditions are continuously monitored and controlled through automatic nitrogen injection, while fire extinguishing systems are installed in the event of an emergency. Unlike coal, biomass must be kept dry to avoid it swelling, overheating and clogging equipment. The biomass dust at site is also potentially carcinogenic and explosive, leading Drax to develop a bespoke enclosed conveyor system that can efficiently and safely move biomass around the power station. Fire and explosion suppression equipment is constantly monitoring, ready to react instantly. Whether a power station is co-firing or fully converted, the safe handling of biomass is key. The biomass is moved to the day silos, where a pneumatic system blows it through the plant to the pulverizing mills. In the plant's 40 mills, the biomass pellets are pulverized into a fine powder. Air is then introduced to transport the crushed fuel into the boilers. Adjustments were made to each mill's air ducts to ensure they are kept at a safe operating temperature for biomass. The boilers behave in a similar way when fueled by biomass as they would with coal. Water is converted into steam at 165 bar pressure to spin the turbines at 3000 RPM. Achieving these boiler performances is a result of thousands of test hours experimenting with fuel mixers to optimize for performance, efficiency and fuel combustion, which all help to control fouling, slagging and corrosion. NOx, SOx and particulate matter were all reduced when using biomass versus coal. Volumes and composition of bottom ash and fly ash also differ when operating with biomass. Existing specialised equipment, known as electrostatic precipitators, are used to collect the fly ash. More than 15 years of careful experimentation and innovative problem solving have made Drax one of the leading biomass power operators. We have learned from our own exploration and built a wealth of experience that can be applied to other power stations.